Go. Okay. Want some rice cereal? Oh. Is that good? Oh. Yummy. What do you think? Oh, it's coming back out.
It's okay. We figured it probably would.
Yummy. What do you think, girl? We should have put the bib on. Messy. Oh. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Want some more? Oops, sir. Maybe the person without that perception shouldn't be doing this part. Don't lick it. You put it in your mouth. There you go.
What do you think?
Open wide.
It's pretty good, huh? Got a little dribble on your chin.
Want some more?
Yeah. I like this stuff.
No, you're it's as if Thor was trying to do it. I hate to say that. Can I just put it in your mouth?
It's hard to eat out of a spoon, Daddy. This is my first time.
There you go. Better.
I'm learning. Oh, I think more is coming out than it's getting in.
No, that's because she was pushing it out with her tongue. No, don't lick. Open wide. Open up. Open up.
Here comes the airplane.
That's a good one. That's a better job. What do you think?
Oh, I'm gonna stick my hand in it. There you go. Wipe it off with your shirt. Okay. Oh, yummy. Yummy delicious.
We'll just keep dumping it in like that. With that.
You like it, Hope? Yeah, more. So hungry.
I think I'm getting spit on.
Ooh. I hope you don't spit it all back up. She's definitely hungry.
The tongue's got to stop though.